It goes slowly because there have been protests in Serbia for many months, and the work has practically been stopped. And after the big wave, the protests are still going on after the big wave, and then, of course, after getting the new government, we started to really work on this more closely. On the specific, as I have mentioned, it is especially about anti-corruption, added to what I said before, media law, very, very much important. Then it is anti-corruption, also public procurement. Serbia started negotiations under the old methodology, so at that time it wasn't cluster one fundamentals, but still whatever we do, I see it through the cluster one fundamentals, so working hard on the fundamentals. At the same time, one of the points in the non-paper is also normalization of the relations with Kosovo.
Vitani?